Welcome back with Emilio Vignapiano. We are at Samsung presentation in Milano. These are some of the line phones. As you can see, there is almost all Samsung phone made since now. These are new phones that we didn't try yet. So let's start with the Blue Earth S7550, the Echo mobile phone from Samsung. See, this is to unlock the phone. Everything is very ecological. In particular, you have a solar panel on the back nearby the camera. When you're recharging from the solar panel, a light starts here, so you know that you are recharging. Also, the battery flash, and there is a little sun, so you know that you are charging. Energetically talking, that means that 10% of energy can come from the solar panel instead of a normal recharge with the electricity. There are some applications made for this phone, like to count your walking, and after you count your walking, the phone tells you how many trees you saved instead of going by car. Same user interface of other Samsung's phone, but now you can modify the order of them. In fact, with the modification of the order, you can change, and you can personalize the memory of the phone and the other stuff. Then this is a new MTS phone, HSDPA. The camera is a 3 megapixel camera, autofocus of course, 262,000 colors with inside memory of 130 megabytes. There is expansion slot, micro SD. You have also Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, email push with Microsoft Exchange. You have also radio FM and the MP3 player. Of course, you have also the micro USB to sync and to charge the phone. There is the Lite that we cannot show it turned on because it's a prototype, but main difference, 3.2 megapixel camera, less memory on board, and new keys on the front with the add of the color. Then we have a Windows Mobile new smartphone with the QWERTY keyboard. It's called Omnia B7330. The screen has a resolution of 320 by 320, so and it's 65,000 colors. The camera, it's a 3.2 megapixel. Amazing connection, 7.2 megabit per second in download and 5.7 megabit per second in upload. So really fast modem also. You have 300 megabytes of memory inside, micro SD slot expansion, the Bluetooth of course is stereo. You have also radio FM, but what we really appreciate is how thin is this phone, and also the QWERTY keyboard is amazing. Every key has its own space, every key can be digit very easily. It's not a touch phone, but you can easily access with the 5-direction joypad, 2 soft keys, and then the buttons to go for phone calls. Really good. Materials here are very nice, and with a 299 price, really it's very affordable for a messaging smartphone. Then we have the evolution of the writer, that is Writer Touch. In fact, this is very nearby the Corby Pro. So you have QWERTY keyboard. Every key is separated, as you can see. The keys have their own shape, so you will not have any difficulties. And of course, you don't have any mode line here because you can have the touch screen to go into the menu, but also to have your alphanumeric keypad, as you can see here. The phone is coming in Italy with a price just something more than €100. We don't know yet the exact price. This phone is GPRS NH, 140 grams, 2 megapixel camera, speaker here, all made of plastic, good material, very good assembly. Samsung really is still investing about it. Of course, you have the widget. The user interface is not the Corby one, but is the normal Samsung. So you have all the application, all the stuff, and of course it's a touch screen, so very easy. This phone is for youngsters, but not only, for the people that needs a very simple phone, very direct. 30 megabyte expandable with micro SD, stereo, Bluetooth always. You also have email, radio, FM, and there is also the USB cable, micro USB cable to sync and to charge. Unfortunately, it's just the camera that is 2 megapixel, very entry level. That's all for this fast preview with some of the new model of Samsung on CellulareMagazine.it with Emilio Vignapiano.